Question 4. Sam had some yellow, blue, and red tokens. There were 105 more yellow tokens than blue tokens. There were 3/4 as many red tokens as blue tokens. Given that 1/4 of the total tokens were blue, how many tokens were there altogether? Hence, I'm going to draw it forward from the beginning all the way to the end. So step number 1, Sam had some yellow, blue, and red. So we're going to write it yellow, blue, and red tokens. This is the only thing we can draw from the first sentence, alright? Nothing else. Next information. There were 105 more yellow tokens than blue. 105. So there is a 105 more yellow than blue. I believe as of this point, everyone is able to draw. Alright, this is just from your Primary 2 model drawing. And I'm done. Next, there were 3/4 as many red tokens as blue. So the numerator belongs to the red. Okay, the numerator belongs to the red. The denominator belongs to the blue. Okay, so remember whenever they mention a fraction in relation to two items, right? The numerator always belongs to the first thing they mention. The denominator belongs to the second thing they mention. Alright, this is one simplistic way to remember. Hence, again, red, it's 3 units. Blue, it's 4 units. So let's partition blue into 4 parts first. So we can draw out for red. Red will be 3. Okay, 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. And since we cut this into 4 units, for the yellow we shall do the same, so that we can have equal units for comparison. And we are also done with this statement. Given that 1/4 of the total tokens were blue, alright, 1/4 of the total tokens were blue. How many tokens were there altogether? This 4 units represents 1/4 of the total tokens, which means 2 out of 4 will be 8 units, isn't it? Again, 1/4 of all the tokens is represented by 4 units. So 2 out of 4, 8 units. Twice of this. 3 out of 4, 12. All the tokens, one whole, will be 16 units. Which means everything here, you should get 16 units. Okay? This 1/4 is 4 units as represented in the model. So one whole will be 16 units. Then from here, can we figure out how many units is 105? So we can count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 units, which means this must be 5 units. So step 1, 5 units is equal to 105, 1 unit. It's 105 divided by 5, that will give you 21. Every unit here is 21. How many tokens were there all together? Well, we figure out there are 16 units, isn't it? Or you can go and find out what is 11 units, then you plus 105. Alright, both ways will get you the answer. Number of tokens there were altogether. $21 for 1 unit, and we're going to multiply by 16 to find out what is everything. So this is 20 times 16, that will be 320. 320 plus 16, 336. Reminder, for fraction questions, by and large, you will need to draw model. It is just a matter of drawing it forward or you draw it backwards. Usually, if they ask you to find something at first, then you will draw it back.